Welcome to our Management Information Systems video. We are Group 26. The organisation we assessed for our project is the online retail store of Amazon. Our video is split into 4 parts, covering Amazon's business model, the strategic value of information technology, the entity relationship diagram in the process of purchase, and putting the ER diagram into a database system. The structured query language of finding a product on the Amazon website. We'll be using headphones as an example, and lastly we'll be discussing the potential improvements Amazon can make to their website interface. Founded in 1994 by Jeff Bezos, the Seattle-based company quickly became the world's largest internet-only retailer, with revenue figures reaching over $100 billion in 2015. When initially opening its doors, the multinational corporation was initially established as an online bookstore, but later began the sale of technological equipment, and then onto furniture, clothing, plus a lot more. Amazon's focus. Amazon is sectioned into various online outlets, focusing their efforts on 3 main revenue streams, these being Amazon Web Services, the Kindle, and the online retail store. Amazon's business model. Our analysis of Amazon's business model with concentration on the value proposition, customer segments, and revenue streams. Here we have created a business model canvas representation on Amazon. Value proposition. With vastly differentiating target markets, Amazon claims they offer the world's biggest selection. Along with this, the Prime subscription service they offer gives customers the ability to receive fast, one-day delivery, watch movies and TV shows on demand, listen to music, as well as continuing to add new strings to the bow. For example, the Amazon Pantry service Prime provides, letting customers order cupboard foods on a regular basis. The integrated services involved within the IT system for Amazon also gives extra value to customers' experience. Customer segments. Most firms have specific target markets, although Amazon sell almost everything, and so specific target markets cannot be demographically categorized. Their market also cannot be geographically segmented due to the worldwide deliveries they provide. Customer segments can also be looked at behaviourally. The attraction of Amazon's Prime subscription service, along with their IT systems to create an easier browsing experience, gives loyalty from customers a reward due to the ever-expanding advantages of being a Prime member. Cost structures. Due to the online environment of Amazon, their mainline costs are significantly lower than those of a high street retailer. They avoid the purchase of a physical store and instead maintain the state-of-the-art warehouses in order to achieve economies of scale. Although it's hard to say Amazon have low costs, they have ongoing multi-million-dollar marketing campaigns, and the cost to research and establish new technology systems, the automated systems, isn't low. On the other hand, automated systems will be financially beneficial in the long term. The strategic value of IT in Amazon's online store. Cookie system. Web cookie is a small piece of data that is sent to the user's computer from the website after first accessing the site. The next time you visit, the website checks if you have one and uses that data to tailor your experience. In Amazon's instance, a cookie system allows them to advertise based on the user's experience, keep track of the items stored in the customer's basket, as well as much more. It should also be noted that Amazon sell data onto third parties, adding another revenue stream. Recommendation system. Using an algorithm and the data collected from cookies, Amazon recommendation system uses multiple ways to entice the customer to buy something. It is vital to the high sales. The item-to-item collaborative filtering system using Amazon recommendation system means that items you look at have related products that advertise to be pre-purchased or after purchase. A cluster model system segments customers and then advertises products to those individual segments. These both add strategic value as customers feel their shopping experience is more pleasurable. Anticipatory dispatch system. Patented in 2014, Amazon created the anticipatory dispatch system to work out what the customer wants and when the customer wants it. The complex IT system behind it uses the collaborative filtering cluster model we mentioned previously, as well as the multiple other sources to gain information on previous purchase history and browsing history. This helps Amazon understand the buying process of the customer and allows them to begin the shipping process before the customer buys a product, ultimately adding value due to delivery time being cut even further. Customer referral system. This system provides key value to Amazon in utilising IT strategically. Using affiliates, potential customers are linked to the Amazon site from reviewers, comparative sites, plus other external web pages. It is automated so the company don't need to pay for employees and keep costs low. It also adds another source of revenue and attracts an extended amount of web traffic. Automated pricing strategy. Amazon uses a dynamic pricing strategy in order to help fulfill their cost leadership strategy. The pricing of the product automatically adjusts according to the price competitors have listed as the product at, the stock left and whether it's a complementary item. Their price leadership strategy gives them the competitive advantage as the initial seller of the product. They set their price how they want, so they know there will be other competitors due to the bulk buy they can afford. Since introducing this, they have maintained the top position in the markets they're involved with. Stocking system. The chaotic storage system used by Amazon enables them to be a leader in low-cost resource management. Being automated like their other IT strategies, the stocking system monitors stock levels and orders accordingly. This uses barcodes that scan when a product is introduced in the warehouse or taken out.
What is an ER diagram? It is an entity relationship diagram, or also known as ERD. It is a data modeling technique that graphically illustrates an information system's entities and the relationships between those entities. Here we have an entity relationship diagram which represents the information systems used in Amazon's infrastructure. Firstly, we can see the three different shapes on the ER diagram. Square represents the entities of the database, such as customer, which contains attributes. The oval represents the attributes, which contain the raw information of the database. And the rhombus shows us the relationship between two tables. The most common relationship that is used within the ER diagram is one-to-many. For an example, review has a one-to-many relationship, as one customer can make as many amount of reviews as they want, relating to the range of different products. However, any one review belongs to a single customer. Here's an example of an average customer looking to purchase some headphones from Amazon. They first visit the homepage of amazon.co.uk. They then go to Departments, which selects the department information from the product table. Here shows different departments such as books, sports and technology. As the customer is looking for headphones, they go to the Technology tab, then Headphones. This then filters the web page to display only headphones which the user is looking for. The user wants the product to be next day delivery, so they select the Prime option. As the page is dynamic, it keeps all of the results up on the web page, and the products that are shown are only Prime products. Next, the user wants to filter out the products with only high reviews. This is done by selecting the 4 stars and up. This shows the dynamic web page changing. They then choose the brand of headphones that they want, which would be Beats. This then leads them to the product of which they want to purchase. This is now the walkthrough of how the customer purchased the product through the SQL database. First, the query is created. Then, you add the tables that you need for the SQL. The first table we are grabbing data from is the product table. This is because we want to find the product within a certain department. Then we would want to see the product name, which would be headphones. As the customer wanted the products to have Prime, we filter them out through the product table. This is by changing the Prime status as Yes, showing all the products which provide Prime. We then want to filter all the products from the product table to have an overall rating of 4 or more. Therefore, we put this in the criteria for the overall rating. Next, we want the item brand, so we go to the item table and select the brand of the product. As the customer selected Beats by Dre, we put that into the criteria of the table. We then run the query. And here we see the item of which the customer wanted. The simplicity and ease of use of the website is a possible improvement that can be made. There are a variety of unnecessary advertisements across the web pages, which could be misleading for some customers. Also, due to the wide variety of products, the drop-down lists are very clustered with item categories, and so it takes time